Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a subject that's crucial for businesses operating in the digital age: securing AI systems against advanced cyber threats. Picture this. 4 game-changing industry developments have reshuffled the cybersecurity landscape, especially when it comes to managing enterprise AI systems. Each advancement offers potential solutions to the growing challenges businesses face from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Let's unpack what these developments mean for your organization, and, more importantly, how you can proactively secure your AI systems. Firstly, Microsoft has expanded Zero Trust principles to specifically target AI systems and operations. They've developed a new assessment and a DevSecOps Development, Security and Operations Workshop to fortify AI security. This includes more than 90 tasks that treat AI model memory and other components as vital security boundaries. Secondly, Microsoft Defender has shown that automated responses to threats can be blazingly fast. At QNET, it isolated a ransomware attempt within 128 seconds, demonstrating how automated containment can be a strong defense tool. Next, Frontier AI's Nova system made a breakthrough by autonomously discovering over 14,000 new vulnerabilities in open-source software. This highlights a massive leap towards industrial-scale vulnerability discovery. And lastly, it's been reported that nearly half of modern malware is sidestepping traditional detection by communicating directly to IP addresses instead of using domain names. This challenges existing cybersecurity strategies focused on DNS, or domain name system, filtering and detection. These developments introduce several pressing issues for businesses. The ability of systems to autonomously uncover vulnerabilities can lead to rapid exploitation in open-source components. This means your AI and digital infrastructure could face novel threats that require immediate action. Moreover, as attackers become better at evading network defenses, by, for instance, using direct IP communication rather than the DNS, companies must implement faster, more dependable automated responses. Any lag in reaction times can lead to significant business disruptions. Lastly, with AI systems now introducing new vulnerabilities through model memory and supply chain activities, businesses must stay ahead with advanced security measures that guard these new and expanding attack surfaces. Let's break down some technical aspects here. Zero Trust principles, which require verification for every user and device attempting to access network resources, now extend specifically to AI. This expansion includes checking the integrity of AI models, who can access their memory, and how data flows securely within your systems. Next, think about automated threat containment, as demonstrated by Microsoft Defender. This involves identifying threats quickly and isolating them before they wreak havoc, while maintaining necessary security operations. Autonomous zero-day vulnerability discovery refers to the identification of previously unknown security flaws in software. The Frontier AI development highlights the possibility of scaling this to uncover vulnerabilities across open-source software en masse. For detection evasion, malware that communicates directly with IP addresses challenges traditional filtering. Organizations need to move beyond simple DNS checks and employ more sophisticated network policies that incorporate IP enforcement, understanding. These advancements allows businesses to improve cybersecurity strategies drastically. The expansion of Zero Trust to AI systems, combined with automated containment and sophisticated network controls, helps mitigate the risk of system breaches and data loss. By investing in and applying these technologies, companies can protect not only their data, but also maintain customer trust and safeguard business continuity. Aligning cybersecurity practices to these evolving threats means fewer disruptions, lower potential financial losses, and a better overall security posture. Implementing these advanced security measures isn't without challenges. Automated containment and zero trust frameworks require substantial initial investment and time to integrate into existing infrastructures. There is also an operational risk that blanket automation solutions, if not finely tuned, might disrupt essential services. Additionally, rapid vulnerability discovery could lead to rushed and unverified patches, introducing new weaknesses. Businesses must ensure stringent testing and validation processes are in place to prevent adverse effects from hasty reactions. Lastly, organizations without stringent IP protocols remain at risk due to evasion techniques. Setting up robust network defenses and maintaining a clear oversight on supply chain components can be resource-intensive but necessary for long-term security. So, how does Kimbodo suggest approaching this? Organizations should adopt a phased approach to security enhancements, focusing first on understanding their unique environments through comprehensive assessments. From there, integrating advanced network enforcement with zero-trust measures for AI systems becomes crucial. Further, businesses must deploy high-precision containment strategies, use a structured approach to securing supply chains, and ensure AI-specific checks in development processes. These methods will help businesses effectively guard against current and future threats. If your organization is navigating these complex cybersecurity landscapes, now is the time to act. Kimbodo can help guide you through these changes with a thorough security review tailored to your specific needs. Understanding potential costs, timelines, and how these changes could be applied at your organization can demystify the process and lead you to action. Request a security review today using our quick and easy quote engine. For a deeper dive into all the developments we've discussed, head over to Kimbodo.com and check out the full article.